Alright guys, I'm going to do a hover test here with and a cold weather test with the 2022. Alright, so let's get it up and going here. Just let it do its thing. Too bad, really. Back up here a little bit, guys, so we get a better shot at it. Ooh, my bad. Find it again here. Where the hell did it go? There it is. There she be. Alright, let it sit right there for a minute. Wandering a little bit back to the home point, I do believe, where it took off from. They're just wandering. It's hovering pretty damn good. Bring it down some. A little bit closer to us here. Not touching it at all, it's doing that on its own. So it's got the FIMI wander, but it's much better than the 2020, I think, for hovering. Alright, so let's get some altitude here. Go test this camera out in this cold weather, because it's well below freezing today. We're shooting in 2.7K 60. We'll ease up on the camera as we go. We'll go up, as I go on in these tests till we get up to the full 4K 60. Alright, we're 152 feet. We have 16 satellites. I've got the got it set at 22.5 miles an hour, so lake's pretty good and covered. Gimbal's spot on, guys. Spot on. Compass is spot on. Where I'm pointing it, the drone's definitely there. May get some rain, snow. We're about 31 degrees, 32 degrees, so it could be rain, could be snow. It's a good day to do a cold weather test on this. I mean, any colder than this, and I really don't want to be outside to fly anyway, so. And I can see some snow dropping in the camera there. See, we got our EV set at +3 as well. We'll leave it right there, and we're in auto. I mean, this thing's flying great. No complaints there. Gimbal spot on, as I said. We're 190 feet up, 16 satellites. We got 87% battery. And we're about 3,500 feet out. So. Get a little altitude here, guys, so getting blocked by these trees. We'll get right up to our 400. We'll see how far we can get. And we're at 375 feet. That was my bad. I moved a bit, so I lost signal there for a second. But the next few videos I'll be starting to add screen recordings, guys, as well. Not that it looks any different. The app looks exactly, it's the same app actually. 6,000 feet, that's exactly about how far the 2020 makes it. So I'm going to let it come back. So range is good. It's no worse, no better. I think the FPV strength's a bit better though. I will give them that. Alright, we're going to go back down to 0 on the EV. And we're going to let it come back. Really dull, crappy day, so it's actually a pretty good time to test the camera in the low light. So we're going back up to +3. I'm going to try +7. I think I like 3 better, so we'll go back to 3. And it's kind of pretty much how it looks here. Definitely getting a little mist, snowy mist, so we're probably right about at freezing right now. We were well below freezing about an hour ago. I guess the temperature's rising. It was supposed to get colder, but you know how that goes. Let's point the camera down here and see what we can see. The yellow line in the road looks pretty good. It's the only color down there. And we got 76% battery. We're doing great on battery. I mean, been in the air around 10 minutes, so that's really not too bad. So they might have tweaked with the algorithm a little bit on the battery life. Who knows? I'm going to take this out of RTH now. Alright, 17 satellites, guys. We're 350 feet in the air and descending. As soon as this lake's frozen, guys, I'm going to get the fixed wings out. I'm going to start pumping some videos out. I've got 6 of them built, so I'm dying to show you guys what I got. I built an MF, or a My Fly Dream antenna tracker, so excited to get that out and get some video of that too. Down here into the swampy area here. Great on signal because I'm shooting through a bunch of houses and trees and everything else. That is 67% battery, still 17 satellites and holding, or 336 feet up. And just swinging it around a little bit and playing with the controls a little bit, seeing how she handles. Gimbal's holding nice through all that. I know the 2020 didn't like that sometimes. So there might be some control improvements, or how the controls and flies improvements. I mean, I'm sure that's all algorithm because the drone's exactly the same. Highly doubt there's any new hardware in it other than what's in the camera. Maybe something in the remote. I will try to pair a 2020 remote to it one of these days and see if it works. Which we know it wasn't compatible from the 2019 to the 2020, so, or the 2018, whatever you want to call it. So it's probably not compatible, but I mean, if FIMI's going to do this, they should, you know, use the same damn controller, like kind of like DJI's doing. It just makes sense. Alright, there I am standing down there. Alright, I'm going to hit the RTH and let's see how close this thing comes to the pad, guys. Going up to its 400 feet now. See if it clips any of these branches and shit coming down. It shouldn't, but we'll see if it does. So you know what, I'm going to move the pad over just a little bit. It should see it before it gets there. Just because I am under a branch, I don't want to, I like to give it a fair shot of landing without hitting anything, you know? See, I just moved it a tad bit. See if it sees the pad. Landing pad is not detected. Landing pad not detected. Landing pad detected. It sees it. Let's just hope it don't hit that branch. Hitting it. Right on the pad, guys. FIMI's always had that down pretty good. So there we go. That's my cold weather camera and hover test. FIMI X8 SE 2022. Have a good one, guys, and great flights to y'all.